Just raise your leg one more time. That's better. Cool. Just relax. Nice and easy. That's the joint right there. One more time. Lift it. And back down. That's it. Daisy's probably showing him the book.
No, he's coloring.
What's that?
He's coloring.
Oh, he's coloring?
Yeah.
Anything to distract him.
Oh, you're just like me.
Over to here.
Yeah, no. You saying I got big ears?
There. So I want you to breathe in very deep for me. And all the way out. Try to relax your shoulders. Good. One more time. Breathe in. And all the way out. Good. Awesome. Good. Good. I'm just going to slowly lean your head to the side. Just focus on your breathing. Nice and easy. Just going to stretch your knee a little bit more. And just relax. Good. This is going to stretch a little bit more. Good. There we go. Come back here. You said you're sleeping on your back?
Yeah.
Yeah? So if you're sleeping on your back, take the pillow, rest the pillow here, not just on the head.
Okay.
Right? So it's resting here and the head at the same time, so this is all flat.
Okay.
Right? Not just on the head. If it's just on the head, it's going to jerk your head forward.
Okay.
Here and here.
Okay.
You'll sleep better. GABA. GABA spells what?
G-A-B-A?
Mm-hmm. What's it spell?
Java?
GABA.
GABA.
GABA. I'm going to go by GABA.
What is that?
It's an amino acid that's inside your body.
Okay.
Right? That kind of gets lowers when as you get a little bit older. Right? And what I want you to do is start taking it 1 hour before you go to bed.
Okay.
It'll help you sleep. It's something that runs through your body. And just relax. Good. What I want you to do with your knees is I want you to squeeze them together. Squeeze. Apart. Good. Separate, please. Separate. Good. Bring this down.
Can I take off the shoes?
I'm about to.
Okay.
I'm about to.
Yeah.
And just relax here. Just relax your knee. Just relax it. Good. You weren't going to have a choice in that.
All right.
Here we go. Just relax the hip. A little more. Good. And just relax inside here. Good. I want you to point your toe to your chin. If you can.
Yeah.
I guess you can. All right. Yeah, you got to work on that.
Yeah.
Definitely got to work on that. Come right back down. And just relax inside here. Nice and easy. Go. Just let it relax. Easy. Just going to bring your knee in a little bit. Good. Let it drop down. A little more. That's a tight hip.
You don't want it?
Good. Come right back in here. And just relax it nice and easy. I want you to point your toe to your chin. Just like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man, I bought him McDonald's.
Good. Just relax inside here.
Sandwich. He didn't want it.
Good.
Bought
Just
him
relax
burrito.
that
He didn't want it.
ankle.
I don't know what else.
Seems like you rolled this ankle a few times.
Oh, many times.
Yeah.
What else do you want?
Let's see if we can open this up. Give me a little resistance with your hands, all right?
What do you mean?
So where your hands are, I just don't want you to slide down.
Oh, the hole
Yeah.
here?
Yeah, that's all. That's it. Good. Good. Caught you off guard.
Yeah.
Lash your toes. Good. Good. Same thing. Just a little bit of resistance.
That's awesome.
Good.
Let's perform.
And just relax.
Stand on the pedal.
Breathe in really deep. Good. Just
Yeah,
relax.
because but it has its own balance.
It has its own balance forward and backward, right and left.
That's all.
Slide it down a little bit.
And when you're going
Nice
up
and
the
here.
hill, how is it?
I just want you to breathe in really deep if you can. That's it. Just kind of let that go.
Okay.
A little more. Let's let it go. Good. Good. Wow.
Now, when it's
Lift up easy.
it gets really cold,
Just keep
It's
breathing.
like skiing.
Keep breathing.
Goggles.
Nice and easy. Mm-hmm. Take a minute with that. That was big.
Yep.
I think I heard your ankles pop on that.
Yeah. What is that specifically, that noise?
It's your spine. It's decompressing. That's what it is. How we doing?
Good.
Did you feel that all release inside there?
Yep.
Yeah, man. How low did that go? Just in the neck or down to the lower back?
Like right up to around here.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good.
Yeah.
Puts a little separation inside that dowager area. You get that up there. Separates that whole thing, opens it up, creates flexibility, and takes away pressure from inside there. Just gonna stretch inside here. Yeah, that's already pulling your shoulder. That's how tight your muscles are. Ooh, there we go. Just relax. Good. Come back in.
Does that mean?
Just means you don't have a lot of flexibility inside there.
Yeah.
Your muscles are kind of like shortened. Good. Just focus on breathing. Just gonna stretch again. Yeah, a little more. Yeah. So that's gonna be a little tighter on this side. Here, for a minute. How was that? Good. Awesome. You see sparks fly?
Yeah. You know, a couple of years ago, I was having trouble even turning my head.
Yes.
To drop it to the left.
Yeah. You say you play rugby?
Yeah.
Or rugby played you?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
My kids are 13. That's when I stopped. 13 years
Straight
ago.
ahead? Is that right?
Yeah. My wife was like, "That's it."
I don't blame her. I don't blame her.
I played since high school.
Mm-hmm. Did you really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of rugby. That's a lot. Can you hit this one, please? Good.
And I was a hooker, so it was in the scrum, like in that big crunch of big guys in the front.
Yep. Is that where we were, really?
Yeah.
Wow. That's the guy that takes the most damage?
I think
Pretty much.
I think the front pack, the front three guys.
Yep. Take any of your arm for a second. Just going to bring it back for a second. Open the shoulder. Good. Let's take the other one. Same. Pull it back. Nice and easy.
This one feels better.
Yeah. Take that arm go like that. Hold on. Hold on.
Hold it tight.
No.
Loose?
Pull the elbow back. Pull the elbow back. And there. Elbow back. Let's try the other side. Pull that. There we go. And now relax both of them. Let it drop nice and easy. Just relax it. Just let it. Good. A little more. Good. That was me. That was me. Let it drop again. Nice and good. Relax the arms. Move your elbow. Let it go. There we go. So I guess you like the adjustments.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so. Okay. I guess he brought you to the right place. Yep.
He says, I hate chiropractors.
Yeah, we get a
I
lot of
don't
that.
like them.
We get a lot of
I
that.
don't like them at all. I told him, I was like, look, just come, just check them out.
Tirado, if you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel by checking out my Crackkamaniac t-shirts by clicking on the link below. And also, I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.